glowing sheet metal still gives the Ford Focus an athletic interest, however the inside's dated and occupied. The Ford Focus has been ridiculing the economy auto rules since the 2012 model year, that is, whether you think the standards direct economy autos must be plain and exhausting. The Focus is neither of those. It's a sharp-looking hatchback or inadequately styled vehicle, with an inside that puts many-sided quality over usefulness. We give it a 5, including a point for the body, taking 1 away for the inside. New in 2012, the Focus had its last makeover in 2015. Despite everything, it cuts a dashing figure, especially in its hatchback body style. Passage merges bends and wrinkles behind a straightforward front end, and depends on a rising window line to give the shape its wedgy, sensational interest. A couple of points of interest appear to be out of adjust, similar to the Focus's immense taillights. However, in all, it's an adjusted look. Select into execution models, and Ford bends the eyeball dial to 10. The position gets lower, the wheels get greater, the additional items increasingly various. Inside, the Recaro seats get bright sewing and loads of logos, which appear to have been on special by the pound. The Lodge could utilize a solid altering hand. The first shape still peruses as perplexing, a half-decade after Ford drew it. Thin vent slice and verticals on vigorously etched surfaces. Those undulations gobble up a great deal of dash space and consign some significant capacities to little zones and strangely molded catches and switches. The level of visual mess is high. Occupied plan aside, no Focus looks miserably modest, regardless of the substantial swaths of dark plastic. Titanium models have the most delightful trim and look the minimum temperate. At more than $25,000 in base spec, they should